This is the JBL Wave Beam 2, and it delivers exactly what you'd expect from a pair of JBL earbuds, but with a few details that make all the difference. And just a quick heads up, the links for this product with the best deals I could find are already in the description, okay? Let's get straight to the main event, the audio quality. The sound has a clear signature, with a notable focus on the low-end frequencies. Using the in-app equalizer, you can enhance this characteristic even further, giving an impressive body to your music. The mids and highs remain balanced, ensuring vocals and instruments don't get lost, but the star of the show is undoubtedly the response in the lower tones. But great sound needs a great fit to be enjoyed. The Wave Beam 2 has an in-ear design with a small stem. For a secure fit, you need to place it and give it a slight forward twist. For me, this shape proved to be much more secure and comfortable than other models, allowing me to use it for walks and regular gym runs without any worry. Regarding protection, it comes with an IP54 certification. This means it's resistant to dust and water splashes, like sweat from a workout. However, it is not waterproof, so it's important to avoid heavy rain. Battery life is one of its strong suits. You get up to 10 hours of continuous use from the earbuds, and an additional 30 hours from the charging case, making for a total of 40 hours of autonomy, and charging is fast. Just 10 minutes in the case gives you about 3 hours of music. It's worth noting this duration is based on volume levels between 50 and 70%. And for calls, the microphone has an interesting feature. It uses technology that automatically regulates your voice volume. This is great for calls, as the person on the other end will always hear you at a stable level, without peaks or drops. However, when using it with a computer, you might find the final audio is a bit quiet. Connection is handled via Bluetooth 5.3 and is quite stable. In my tests, it held a solid connection up to a distance of 5 to 7 meters. It also features multiple point connectivity, allowing you to connect to 2 devices at once, and the initial pairing is very fast. So, who is the JBL Wave Beam 2 for? It's ideal for anyone seeking that classic JBL sound signature with a focus on low tones who needs a versatile earbud for daily use, including light exercise. It's an excellent mix of great battery life, comfort, and useful app features for a price of around $50. Now, if maximum comfort is your top priority, the JBL Wave Flex might be an interesting alternative. And if your focus is purely on the best sound quality in this price range, the Vibe Buds 2 may be slightly superior. So, that was my complete review. If you've decided this is the right product for you and want to support the curation work I do here, consider using the affiliate links in the description. I've already sought out the best deals to make it easier for you. When you buy through them, you don't pay anything extra, but you directly help the channel continue to create honest, detailed reviews just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.